At Weeks & Son, we truly believe in style and elegance. Our product range represents the very best there is from the world of watchmaking. Think timeless classics or cutting-edge contemporary. There are three goals we constantly strive for: quality, precision and excellence. We're confident in the authenticity and quality of every watch we sell. Each piece is examined by an expert member of our team and its history verified before we ever offer any watch for sale. Not only do we pride ourselves on our expertise, but our skilled and knowledgeable team have over 10 years' experience in finding the right watch for the right people. We have a substantial number of breathtaking pieces from the world's most renowned and respected watchmakers. We deal in limited designs and specially commissioned pieces that use the world's most luxurious metals and are finished to the most exacting of specifications. We have customer liaisons across the globe: Amsterdam, London, New York, Paris, Rome. I'm sure you'll be delighted with your investment and more than pleased with our service. So please visit us at weekesandsons.com for a professional and rewarding experience. Remember, your story is being told every second. All your watch has to do is keep up.